I use 2 cup holders because I'm a bad bitch.
I ate all my soup because I'm a bad bitch. And it was nasty as fuck.
Courtney, you're too immature to drive.
Okay.
The Broken Headlight Police Department. Their lights out. Oh.
One just like you, make me feel the way you do. I'm never gonna
I don't believe in Holocaust jokes. And frankly, I don't think they're funny at all.
And what about being raped?
Oh, that's not funny either.
You know you're so lying.
Yeah, rape is so funny.
Just kidding.
Welcome to the Byron Hot Springs Hotel. How can I help you?
What the fuck?
Fuck!
Oh, it hella echoes. Fair enough. We're getting yelled at by random people. Want to go?
They literally said shut up on the call. Wait, let's leave.
Okay.
I can't be in trouble.
Courtney is a felon. She can't be in trouble. Shut the fuck up! Bitch! So now we're at the gas station.
Yeah, we just ran away from the crazy woman that was yelling vulgar things at Nick.
Yeah, we kind of got in a big fight. Yeah, like as soon as Courtney said the F word, it started getting hella crazy, and so I started recording.
And
but
she goes, "Shut the fuck up!"
from like across the park.
And she was like, "Shut the fuck up, bro! I'm calling the cops." And then Nick said, "Fair enough." And she said, "That's right, you pussy, get in your car."
Because we were just leaving like normal.
and then Nick goes, and then she was like, "Fuck you!" And Nick was like, "Shut the fuck up!"
She was yelling more than I ever did. Like,
she was yelling more than we were in the first place.
like together.
We made her mad by saying the F word once, and she said it like 10 times.
Oh, because it is 7-Eleven, and we were at AM PM. Damn.
Sorry, it's all that damn soup.
So, since it's 7-Eleven, July 11th, whatever it is, you get free little slurpees, so we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and get slurpees! Woo! And we're gonna meet Sailor.
Meet Sailor, because she's black.
Because she's...
I'm gonna put deodorant on, because I'm a bad bitch.
Hey! Come in the car. By the way, 7-Eleven just said that they're not doing slurpees, so watch as he goes in and gets no free slurpee.
And that kid is hella crying. That dude's a dick.
What a good dad.
Every time I talked, he was like, "Get your shoes and come on." And I'd talk again, he'd be like, "Get your shoes and come on." Like he was all interrupting me while yelling at his child. Hopefully he doesn't beat Taylor. Oh, she made it out safe.
Thank God.
Oh, I thought she got a free Slurpee. Bye! Have a good night!
Thanks! Bye!
Bye.